Many students struggle with energy, focus, and discipline. Days feel unorganized, motivation appears and disappears. Plans are made at night, but nothing changes in the morning. This is not laziness, this is a lack of structure. This video explains a simple Japanese habit that helps students improve focus, reduce burnout, and build daily discipline. This is psychoShinro. This video focuses on systems, not motivation. The real student problem. Student life creates mental overload. Classes, exams, deadlines, and constant decisions slowly drain focus and willpower. When meals are random, energy becomes unstable. When energy is unstable, focus disappears. Most students struggle not because effort is missing, but because daily systems are weak. What a bento box is? A bento box is a balanced meal prepared in advance. It usually includes carbohydrates for energy, protein for mental clarity, vegetables for brain health, and a small comfort food for mood stability. One prepared box creates one clear decision. This reduces mental stress and improves daily consistency. Morning routine, setting the day. Morning meals affect the entire day. Skipping breakfast lowers attention and memory. Junk food causes energy crashes. A simple morning bento includes rice or bread, eggs or chicken, one vegetable, and one fruit. Balanced meals stabilize blood sugar, improving concentration and mental endurance. Preparing food at night reduces morning decision fatigue. Afternoon routine, beating burnout. Afternoon fatigue is common among students. Focus drops. Procrastination increases. Japanese students often use bento lunches to maintain stable energy. Structured meals reduce stress hormones and prevent mental overload. A simple lunch bento includes rice, fish or chicken, vegetables, and light seasoning. Eating slowly without distractions helps reset attention. Evening routine is supporting recovery. Evening eating habits affect sleep quality. Heavy meals increase fatigue and reduce sleep quality. A light bento style. Dinner with fewer carbohydrates and more vegetables supports better recovery. Better sleep improves focus the next day. The psychological power of bento. The real strength of the bento routine is psychological. It builds identity through repetition. Regular meal preparation reinforces planning and self-control. Small, consistent actions build self-trust. Self-trust develops discipline. Discipline is created by systems, not motivation. How to start simply. Start small. 2 bento meals per week are enough. Use leftovers. Expensive ingredients are unnecessary. Consistency matters more than perfection. Structure creates progress. Conclusion. Try this bento routine for 7 days. Observe changes in energy, focus, and routine stability. If this video helped you, like the video to support the channel. Subscribe to psychoShinro for psychology-based student systems. Share this with a student who needs structure. This is psychoShinro. Clear systems, stronger habits,